Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to view watch history on Netflix account on an Android device. Okay, to check your viewing history on your Netflix account, and then you can take the following steps. First thing first, go ahead and open Chrome browser. After that, here you can sign into your Netflix account. Well, and then you can press three line here, and then select account option. Okay, after that you can scroll down and then you can select any profile you want to check. Okay, and then here you can select viewing activity. And then here will be shown your watching activity on your Netflix account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to view watch history on Netflix account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.